Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play your PS4 games offline. So you want to make sure you have your PlayStation set as primary. If you lose internet connection or anything like that, you won't be able to play your games unless you have this set. So go to Settings, go to Account Management, and then go to Activate as your primary PS4. And then go to Activate on the top. So this will also share your games in PlayStation Plus with every other account on your PS4. So very useful. Now what you could do is go on over to Network, and then you can go to Connect to Internet and just uncheck mark it right here on the top. And this will sign you out of PlayStation Plus. But you'll still be able to play your games offline now. So definitely set this as primary. So if you lose internet connection, you're good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.